India's defense landscape is transforming. Driven by the vision of Viksit Bharat, the Department of Defense Production is empowering DPSUs to lead the next wave of indigenous defense technologies. In this groundbreaking step of innovation, all 16 DPSUs have come together to launch DPSU-DRISHTI challenges. 101 innovation challenges, one national vision, accelerating innovation from design-led innovation to development to deployment, with financial support, mentorship and clear pathways for innovators. Shape the innovation. Strengthen the nation. Apply now for DPSU-DRISHTI challenges.